guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Kim Kardashian inspired makeup look, her Met Gala makeup look. I've been obsessing over that makeup. When you see her, your eyes just draws right to her eyes. And her makeup artist is an incredible, amazing makeup artist. I love him. I follow him all the time. He's called Mario, and I'm sure you know him, Makeup by Mario. He's amazing. He's really good with makeup. So follow him on IG and learn some things from him, because I learned a lot from him. Yeah, so I wanted to create this look so bad. I know I'm looking weird right now because one, I have contacts on, brown contacts, just to do the look justice, because Kim had a brown honey brown color contacts on. So I decided to go all out and do the same thing. Even though I'm dark skinned, I thought I should try the look on myself, and yeah, let's just play around with makeup. So before we start, I hope you have joined my family, the Jes Iscah family, by subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe now. Just click the button and subscribe, and also let me know your thoughts and anything else you'd like to see me do on my channel. Let's just start right now. So I used the NARS foundations, Sheer Glow and then All Day Luminous, all in bananas. I just wanted to mix the two, so I did that. And then I used the NARS concealer, the soft matte concealer in Almond, to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and to sharpen my contour. After highlighting, I highlighted again using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette in Deep. I only use this bright color here, just a little bit from here to here, just to really brighten up that highlight, because Kim usually has a bright under eye. And then to contour, I used my Fenty Beauty contour stick in Espresso. Then also went in again with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I used the darkest contour color in the kit to deepen my contour, to enhance it, to intensify my contour. To set my contour, I used the Black Radiance Soft Focus and Finish powder, is broken, in milk chocolate. And also to set my highlighted areas, I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Yeah, in medium deep, to set my highlighted areas. So that is all I've done right now. Oh no, my brows. I used the Evita Joseph brow pencil liners. I used the Number Chocolate and also Midnight Drop, because I wanted my eyebrows to be a little bit bold than usual, so it stands out, because Kim's eyebrows always stands out. Yes, so that's all I've done so far. I did my face off camera just so we can focus on the eye look, because that's what stands out in the makeup. So I thought I should focus on that. We dig. Let's begin. To begin, we need tools, right? I'll be using my new brushes. I'm so excited about them. These are the new Salted. I love the name so much. It has so much attitude and vibe. It's called Salted by Evita Joseph. When a brand comes out with a product and it looks bomb, I was going to say bomb, but it looks bomb, like I just have to get it. But thank you so much, Evita, for sending me these. I adore them already. I don't want to use them, but I have to, and I think they are the perfect tools for this look, because we have really small tiny brushes that will do the job justice. So let me stop talking. I need to get my phone. For obvious reasons, we have to get Kim's picture by us so we can focus on the look. My SwiitchBeauty palette, and obviously I need a crease color. I'll be using this orange color, just a little bit, not too much, because you can't really see her crease color. All you can see is darkness. This is the Duplex Crease. I'm just warming up my crease. I'm taking it a little bit high and bringing it all the way in. This is my first time wearing contacts and it's so uncomfortable. I feel like I can't see well, and my mom didn't even help me. I think it's in my brain, because my mom said contacts are so dangerous, they can even blind you. So be careful when you are getting contacts. Be careful where you get them from. You have to be certain they are good quality. so you don't mess up your actual eyes. I got these ones from AHA at Accra Mall. If you're wondering the color, I got the color in honey. I think I need to put the setting powder underneath my eyes before I get a lot of fallout with the black eyeshadow. Yeah, I think we're good now. Pat and move it all over my lid, not on the lid but in the crease and like in the corner, and then I put some here and then at the front as well. I'm dragging it out because I want my eyes to have that elongated look, like that cat eye thing. I'm going to do the same. And taking this small brush, I'm going to take that same color and put that underneath my eye at the bottom, because I found out that I'm not so good with blending black eyeshadow underneath my eyes, so I might as well put this there first, and then when I put the black right there, at least there will be some transition. I'll start off by lining my eye, yes, and I'll be using the Soaesthetics liner, black liner. It's called Silky Matte Liquid Liner. I'm starting off with an inner. I'm going so close to my lash line. And I'm bringing it out a little. And now I'm lining the bottom. So I'm putting this on my waterline. Not beneath, not anything, just on my waterline, as you can see. Since I don't have the Kim K and Mario's palette, I might as well use her sister's palette. I'll take Kylie's palette, the black shade, and taking my flat edge brush from Evita Salted collection, I'm stapling that, like I'm doing this, and then start from here, and then just pat it, just create a line like that. I'll take Evita's Precision Crease, is rounded, and then I'm just going to buff the eyeshadow on top like that. I'm buffing it upwards and into my crease, and I'm going to use this to just smudge the eyeshadow. You can tell that it's dragging from here all the way up there. So I'll go into this shade from the Kylie Cosmetic, is a dark brown, and I'm going to use that to smudge right on top of the line, that I've created. So I'm putting that right on top of the black. And then I'm just dragging it inward a little. I'm just dragging it in my crease a little, but also smudging it on top like that. And then I'm going to put a little here as well into the crease like that. Just to give that illusion of smokiness there. I'm going to go back into that black and then define it more. The black isn't showing that much, so I'm just patting on there so it's very intense. And then going back into the dark brown, I'm going to pat right as well, yeah, like that. And I'm going to smudge this underneath my eye. So I'm going to do the same for this eye, and I'll be back. So now that both eyes are done, I'm going to take my concealer, my NARS concealer, just like that. Using my duplex crease, I'm going to pick this shade from the Kylie palette, this one. And I'm going to pat this on the and I'm going to take the lighter shade in the palette, this one, just a little, and pat that on top of it as well, just lightly, not too much. I'm going to dust it off like that and then pat it into the I'm just using the brush to go over the liner. So for my lashes, I'll be using the ViolaBeauty Lash Goals collection. I'll be using the lash in Yo-Yo. That's how it looks like. Now I'm going to apply this volumizing mascara. I think it's from Color Kit. And for my lips, I'll be lining my lip with the LA Girl Cappuccino lip liner in Cappuccino. I'll be using Evita Joseph's Talensi, just a really tiny little bit. I'll be taking Evita's classic highlighter. Look at that. Look at that. I'll be taking that and taking my Le Bronze by Jackie Aina. So now I'm going to spray my fix blush and my Mario spray. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.